Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your daily midday market minute. Hot CPI. The inflation is there 3 months in a row, and 3 is a trend. 4.5% core CPI year over year, and 9/10 rise on a month-over-month basis. If you look back, it's 9/10 for June, 7/10 for May, and then another 9/10 for April. These are on top of each other. So inflation is real, and 3 months in a row, like we said, is a trend. This should be enough for the Fed to start moving. You start hearing from St. Louis Fed President Bullard in a Wall Street Journal article earlier this morning. Atlanta Fed President Bostic's talking today, and we got Fed Chair Powell tomorrow. So what are we going to hear? We're going to start to hear them moving sooner to taper assets, but the bond market, the 30-year bond, rallied today at this number. It's pricing in a slower growth environment and the fact that the Fed is not going to be able to really taper down these bond purchases even if they start. So overall, too, get the NASDAQ rallying. It got up to about 1%, testing 15,000. We got major three-star resistance up there. Can it close above 15,000 today? You got the S&P rallying as big tech. You got Microsoft's, Apple's, all making new highs here today. And what you do have is the S&P making a new high, too. 43.89 is our next big major three-star resistance level. And our momentum indicators are rising. They're coming in basically on unchanged on the day. So look for unchanged on the day to be support if we have any pullbacks here before the bell. And you got crude oil rallying too. But the energy stocks aren't following. But crude oil trading above $75 and major three-star resistance 75.15. Can this level hold up there? IEA made some comments earlier today saying that if OPEC Plus doesn't get anything going with getting production back online, you're going to see a very big supply crunch, and it's going to be very bullish to the market. So you're seeing crude oil feed off of that here today, and the fact that Iran nuclear talks are not going to start again until the middle of August. So you got crude oil moving up. The metals are pretty lukewarm, though. They're off the early session lows after that CPI number. Major three-star resistance in gold, 1815 is holding. Silver, well off the overnight highs. Platinum, it's starting to tick down a bit too. 1120 seems to be 1118 previous highs, 1118, 1120. Going to be some resistance there. And copper right in the middle of its range. But a lot of resistance in copper at about 432 to 434. We do think, got to watch this U.S. dollar. I think the U.S. dollar is going to start to rally here. Got good support, 92.40 in the U.S. dollar. Yesterday's high is where we pulled back to after the CPI spike. Now finding good support there. We can start to rally from 92.40. We can start seeing pressure on commodities. Look at a lot of these currencies against the dollar. They all rallied off the early lows, and now they're going out to the breakdown point. So watch where these currencies finish. Could set a tone here if the dollar starts to rally on commodities and even stocks for a pullback. Give us a call. Our trade desk is here, 312-278-0500. Remember, the futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors.